Hi, I'm Nikki Moore, technology writer and presenter, and I'm going to give you some tips on iPads and iPhones. I'm going to tell you how to clean an iPhone screen. An iPhone is a really nice looking device, but when it gets covered in fingerprints, it looks really messy, but it's really quick and easy to clean. What you need is a lint-free cloth, no detergents, no wipes, but your best bet is to use a glasses cleaner. So you get your glasses cleaner, get your iPhone, and you just gently wipe across the screen all the way down, all the way back up. And there you have it. A nice, shiny, clean iPhone screen. To clean your iPhone screen, all you need is a lint-free cloth or a glasses wipe. Give it a nice quick clean, and the fingerprints are gone. And that's how to clean an iPhone screen.